What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. We're gonna run through the driving test real quick at one of the Broward County locations. There's been a lot of changes actually, so let me just address that. The examiners at the DMVs are currently now in the car in all of Broward County. So you don't need anyone to sit with you anymore. You don't have to do any of the things that we had to do for the last 2 years, getting somebody to come and all that bull crap. So now they're sitting in the car. They're doing what they were doing prior to COVID, so we're going out on the road for a quick second at this location. So we'll see it. We'll run you through it and get you up to date on it.
I didn't understand that.
Really? Okay. Alright, so they're gonna ask you a few questions. They're gonna ask you if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
To the left, away from the curb.
What else?
Put the car in park, turn off the car. Before you turn off the car, you pull up the handbrakes.
Okay, cool. Go ahead, do the turn signal for me.
Left.
Signal left, signal right. Blow the horn. And press and release the brake. Okay. So they're doing that to make sure that the lights are working. The brake lights, the turn signal lights, the horn. They will not take you out in a car unless those things are working. Alright, so we're going to reverse from here and go to the left. And remember, now the examiners are in the car with you, so it's a little different than when mom or dad or whoever was sitting with you.
I'm going to the left?
You're going to the left, yes. So you back up, and when your mirror gets to the end of the line, you turn it all the way right. So you can go left. And make sure you're looking behind just like that. Alright, that's good. So we're gonna pull straight up here and we're gonna run through exactly what they're gonna have you do on the driving test. Don't go too much to the right. You wanna be close but not on the grass. Okay, so they'll have you stop like about right here. And then they'll say the first thing we're gonna do is the quick stop. So we're gonna speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up to 20 and stop when I say stop. And stop. Okay, that's good. Except you're slightly easy. Yeah. Alright, reverse, straight back. So that's gonna be the second thing they have you do is reverse in a straight line.
So I should not straighten myself.
You should make sure you're straight when you're pulling up. So when you're reversing, you don't have to do anything but roll straight back. You know what I'm saying? Okay, stop here. That's good. We're gonna go forward and do the 3-point turn. So move forward a little bit. Go forward. About here, we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So signal left. Turn all the way left until the wheel stops. We're going to stop here, put the car in reverse, turn all the way to the right. When your mirror is past the middle, see that little line in the middle? Then you stop, put the car back in drive, signal left again. Stop at the stop sign that's leaning up on the tree. I can't show it, but yeah, there's a stop sign on the tree, so treat it like it's planted where it's supposed to be. Go ahead and make a right turn. And then we're gonna make another right turn so we can park. So you're gonna make sure you stay close to the right. And the closer you are to the right side without actually touching the grass, the better, right? So we're gonna pull up here and we're gonna line up the mirror with the line. That's too much. You need to back up a little bit. Right there is good. Alright, signal left. Turn all the way left. get to the middle of the space, you straighten up and pull straight in. Okay, that's good. Okay, now they're gonna tell you to reverse and go to the right. So you back straight out. When your mirror is past the cone, you're gonna turn all the way left. All the way to the left, yeah. Keep looking behind you. Do not use that mirror. Stop here.
My gosh.
Yeah. And remember this stop sign right here. You remember what I said earlier? Change the gear first. Straighten up. Yeah, so this stop sign is right here. Can't show it to you, but just know it's there. I go straight across. And stay close to the right side as you go around this corner.
It's off. Is it supposed to be off?
What?
There's no picture of me anymore.
No, it's there.
Okay.
I just have to touch it. You know, it's set to go on and off. That's the save battery.
Very smart camera.
Straight up. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3.
She's amazing.
See?
Don't like me.
That was weird. Alright,
okay.
go ahead and make it right.
It's okay.
2 times, right? With both cameras. One was the phone.
It's okay.
Alright, so we're gonna come up here, we're gonna stop completely at the line, and then you're gonna wait, you're gonna creep out to where you can actually see.
Will they have a problem if I'm counting like that?
No, I mean, I'd prefer if you count in your head, but they can't fail you for counting out loud. You know what I'm saying? Alright, go ahead and make your right turn.
Sure, you weren't
So you
supposed
wait for it to be completely clear here and then turn. And go back into your right lane. And we're making a right turn. Okay, so you come to the light, it's red, you stop, and you creep out to where you can actually see. Alright, wait for these guys. This sun is ridiculous. Right on my face. Go ahead. Alright. And we're gonna go back into the plaza. So you signal right. Signal right again. Slow down though, make sure you. Just like that. Alright, go ahead and make it right again. And again, make sure you signal each time, just like you're doing. Because you don't want to lose points unnecessarily. You know what I mean? Okay, go straight down. So you're going to stop at the stop sign and then go straight across and park on the left. And that is what they are doing. Stop completely. Wait for this person. Alright, go ahead. Park on the left side here. So you go up again and line up your mirror. Turn all the way left. To the middle, you will straighten up and pull straight in. And stop. Cool. Alright, so how do you think you did?
That's good.
You did pretty good. Yeah, she did good. We're gonna practice, we're gonna run through it one more time before she does. The DMV opens in a little over half an hour. So we're gonna run through the test one more time, but I'm sure she'll pass. She'll pass with really high marks too. Right, Mom?
Yes.
Like, yes. Alright, say something to the camera there. Tell them something. Tell them to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe and hit that like button. Follow if you're not already following, and recommend
ACC Driving School.
ACC Driving School to your friends and family.
Thank you.
Bye.
Alright, you hear her. Just do what she says. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.